Did you know you can do this tomorrow with Bon Drop stickers? I bought 3D stickers after finishing everything, so I'm going to try it out today. I even extended the timer for tomorrow, and since the sticker concept is fruit, I picked out some vibrant fruit colors. I was debating between tomato, apple, and strawberry, but I'll go with the strawberry combination, which seems the safest bet. I applied 2 coats of nail polish gel. Looking at what other Japanese people do, I noticed many use Salio stickers, and they often apply some glitter on the base. I also applied some holographic glitter for a pop of color, and then applied the top coat. For the right hand, I went for a fresh lime green combination, making it different from the left. Now I didn't get the stickers I want, but there were relatively few strawberry options, so I really spent a long time deliberating, selecting the sticker I want to apply and peeling it off. I apply a non-knife adhesive to the back to prevent stickiness and cure it. Then, I apply the parts gel where I want, place the sticker parts on top, and that's it. There were so many really cute stickers that I wanted to use them all, but among them, the green shades seem to have a lot of cuter ones. For areas where applying stickers is tricky, using parts you already have will make the look even richer. Overlay the space between the sticker and the nail with the thinner gel, then apply the top coat and cure it to complete a super cute Bon Bon drone nail.